Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a convoy in Forza Horizon 6. Creating a convoy is really easy. First, open the pause menu. After that, we need to press Y on Xbox, Y on our keyboard or triangle on PlayStation to open the convoy menu. From here, you will be able to access your convoy, and if you want to manage your convoy, again press the same key and then it will show you an option to invite friends. If you select this option, then it will open the game invitation menu. From here, you can search for your friends and invite them to your convoy, and once they accept your request, they will be added in your convoy. But if you want to join someone's convoy, then again press Y on Xbox, Y on your keyboard or triangle on PlayStation, then select find a convoy. Now choose any of the convoy type and join that, such as time attack, drifting, and then the convoy will be found for you and you can join it pretty easily. Another way to manage convoy is by going to the online tab. Under it, go to social, and then you will find all of the recent players you have played with, and if you want to invite them to your convoy, again press Y on Xbox, triangle on PlayStation or Y key on your keyboard, then invitation will be sent to them for your convoy. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.